So the top comment on my how to make AI models video, which is 10 days in, 10k views, doing all right, not too bad. The top comment on there was how do I manage and market AI models? So we're just going to go over a bit about that today.
Yeah, fucking easy. We did have one comment as well. It said your voices are boring. So cheers for that, mate.
Cheers for that.
It's fucking English, not American, dude.
Yeah, I don't have to express myself in those ways. Like, there's no fucking need. I don't need to be entertaining. I'm here to inform people. People don't fucking like it. Fuck off. Like, go watch some fucking gimp chat about
jumping around with some fucking LEDs. How to fucking market an AI model. So for instance, a normal model, they can manage their social medias accounts. So they can do their Instagram, their Twitter, Tinder if they need, etc. When you're doing an AI model, obviously you are running all of that. So what you need to do is with Instagram and Twitter, you can easily link them together. So for starters, I'll probably do that. As soon as you post on Instagram, goes over to Twitter, gets posted as well. 2 birds, 1 stone, less work for you. So get that nipped. Or you can just get, VA?
Yeah, you could just hire staff to take care of all of this. So this is where like money comes in, and money's so powerful because anything you do can obviously be automated. So you have 5 AI models, you can't be asked to run their Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, fucking YouTube, whatever the fuck they have. You can't be asked to run those. So you hire VAs to take care of that for you. Dead cheap. Hire them from fucking India, Bangladesh, Philippines, whatever the fuck you want to do. Hire them from countries where it's cheap, unless you have the cash to hire in your same country, or get your mates to do it, bring them into the fucking business, give them a share of the profit, whatever. Super simple to automate these types of tasks, and people sort of overestimate, I want it done this way, I want it done this way, but just fucking teach a VA how to do it. Like, it's not hard to teach someone how to do shit that you want it, the way you want it done. It's not hard.
As well, with that, it's not actually that hard running social media accounts because you're mainly going to be messaging on OnlyFans. So you don't want to message on Instagram that often. So like, you can get thousands of fuckers message you on Instagram. Oh my God, I love you so much. Fucking chin them off. You don't need to reply to them. But you do need to reply to them on OnlyFans. So with the socials, you mainly just need to get posts out there, content out there, promotion and discounts, etc. All of that out there. And that's not very hard. Literally one account, you could probably do it in about 5 minutes a day. Like one AI model, you can probably get their Twitter, Instagram, probably Reddit.
Yeah, create the fucking content as well. Like, click on the button, create the content, bang, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, fucking post them all with the same caption. Done. Right. There's not much you need to do unless you're into all the fucking, doing the follow and shit like that.
But it only takes a few minutes just to bang out the content and go on someone else's account, follow loads of people. Simple. It does not take long. So if you value your time, then get a VA. If you don't value your time as much, then spend 20-30 minutes just working on the few AI models you have and progressing their accounts. Yeah, it'll benefit you in the long run, and it's so easy.
Yeah, this all depends on how you value your time. Like, is your hour worth $10 an hour that you max that you're going to spend on a VA? If it's worth more, hire a VA to do it. If not, do it yourself. If you can't find a cheap alternative, then do it your fucking self.
It's like people cooking. So, like rich people don't cook because within that hour, they're cooking, shopping, they can do better fucking shit, get more money. So they just buy the food, and it's understandable.
There is obviously other benefits to managing and marketing AI models. It's that you can literally just click a button, create more content for that model. Like, you don't have to, ask content, can you please give us an Instagram post today? Like, you don't need to fucking do that because you can just go on there, create it, it's done, post it. It's so simple, and it's so much easier than actually managing a real model.
100%.